Hello, everyone. Welcome to another class of pronunciation lesson series in which you will learn how to clearly and correctly pronounce each of the 500 most frequently used words in the English language by learning 10 words every day. So let's learn 10 words of today. And the first word is which. As you can see, I've opened online Cambridge Dictionary. I type the word in the search bar and it gives me pronunciation of British and American English. In this series, we are focusing on American pronunciation. Which. The next word is do. Where. Where. Time. Time. If. If. Will. Will. Way. Way. About. About. Here you can see that we are stressing on the vowel, the second vowel or the second syllable of the word. About. Many. Many. When. When. Let's recap. Which. Do. There. Time. If. Will. Way. About. Many. When. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing and see you again. Don't forget to leave the feedback. Bye bye.